Hi, welcome to iTech Hub. Today I will show you how to create a scoremeter using Microsoft Excel. This is an example of a scorecard I have built to visualize the financial performance of a company. Let's see how to build this kind of scorecard using Microsoft Excel step by step.
Okay, first we need to set up the values which should be green and yellow and the red, and maximum value would be based on the user can define it, and score is our KPI. Then lower limit and the upper limit can be set based on the range, and I have set three limits LT1, LT2 and LT3. Follow my steps to calculate those values, and result and arrow width also. Arrow width is define the width of the arrow. You can see after I draw this graph, and okay, after setting these values, you can select these values and go to insert and select 2D stack bar. Okay, then remove the titles. You can just delete it, and then right click on the graph, select data and switch row to column. Click OK. Then select on the graph and remove the outline. No outline. Then right click on the graph and form change the for chart type, and result and arrow with field should be secondary axis. And then right click on the result and set the field for no field, and remove this line and set the minimum to 0 and maximum to 25% for the both primary and secondary axis. Then remove the secondary axis and adjust the size of the graph, and gap width set for the 50%. And okay, then our graph is finished, and then we need to set the colors, and first one should be green, and second one yellow, and third one is red. And you can check now change in the score value, and that arrow is moving. Okay, for a better visual, so you can use the gradient fill option by following these steps. You can get more appearance using this gradient option. Okay. Okay. Now the appearance is good. You can add the data label also into this, and then you can see the values. Actually, you can set the values from a cell and remove the value. Then you can adjust the place of the value, and now see what happened after changing the score value. Okay, that's it. Okay. Using this score meter, you can build a scorecard like this. If you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Finally, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more Excel videos.